Parsi movement, the very one movement that happened in the Parsi community. Especially, I remember Parsi, what is their major interest? Business community, especially reserved to west part of India's west coast. Problem happened here is that even today the Parsi community is very, very minority in strength. You know that the reason government of India has come with the Geo Parsi scheme. There are no at all now brides to find because these Parsi women are marrying Marwadis. That's 50. That's why government is Geo Parsi. Please survive here. Parsi was only community in minority who said we don't need any reservations. We don't need any minorities. Leave it aside. We can do. But the strength is very, very limited, or we can say getting narrow because of their, no doubt, though they are economically empowered, the social conditions are not so feasible for women, or we can say other communities to come together. This actually started from Ratanji Tata, J.R.D. Tata period itself. Economically empowered, but community-wise, if you are unable to give empowerment to women, are we clear about it? Just couple of months back, after Talak judgment happened, there was a Parsi woman, contractor Parsi community, contractor, size, mistris, Tatas. These are the Parsi community. These women was not allowed inside. There is called Tower of Silence. Once a Parsi person passes away, they're going to put the body, the Tower of Silence. So the Tower of Silence, she was not allowed, citing that she married a Hindu. But according to Hindu Marriage Act, Hindu code will also for Jains, Sikh, Parsi, Buddhist. So it's a uniformity, sir. Are we clear? So there is yet to happen. The movement is called Rehnumai Mazdayas and Sabha. That's a religious reform movement, by the way. Mazda, the god of Zoroastrian, Yasna worshipper. They worship the fire, worshipper of Mazda. Important leaders: Nauroji Firdonji, President; Sorabji, Shapurji, Bengali; K.N. Kama. Kamaji is called Mother of India. Mother of India. Gandhi, father. Don't put relations. Okay. Because of her patriotic inspiration, Paris, by the way, was called Mother of India. Okay. Dadabhai Nauroji, the one who was a harsh critic on British economic policy. Nauroji Firdonji published a Famshid, Tariq-e-Fartish, Parsi. Newspapers, this was UPSC question. Rast Goftar, the very famous newspaper, Rast Goftar, Truth Teller, started by Nauroji and Kamaji in 1851. Journal by S.S. Bengali, Jagat Mitra, friend of the world, Jagat Premi, lover of the world. He was also known for what? Remember? Marriage Act. Take a question, please. How the reforms in Sikh community, how the reforms in Parsi community, turned into double-edged sword. Double-edged knife, okay? How the reforms in Parsi community turned into double-edged sword. One side they empower women, another side they criticize British policies, economic policies. Okay?